Hi everyone, you are. This is CoinsKid. It's going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for your continued support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thanks to each and every one of you for what you do, okay? Thank you. If you're not following us on Twitter, do head over to Twitter now and get involved. I'm posting content like that every day. I'm trying to be positive and keep upbeat on there as well. And obviously a Telegram and Patreon, all of it. Instagram, the whole lot. My missus is taking care of the Instagram, and she posts funny things on there just to keep people entertained as well. So it's all good in this crypto space that we find ourselves in. And right now you can see XRP is sort of going sideways. It's coming down, it's going up, it's going down. It's basically consolidation, to be honest with you. You're still creating a relatively nice structure here at the moment. And I do remember in May, I did say sell and go away. I was saying it towards the end of April. I said there'd be a big correction for not just XRP, Bitcoin, crypto in general. I said there'd be a big ABC correction, and right now we've sort of had that massive ABC correction. But I'll be honest with you, it took a while to come in May. It did. It took a while to come. I think the correction ran about the 11th or the 12th of May before we had that big sort of corrective wave down and forming that ABC correction right there. And a lot of people said I was mad, but you know what? Another little thing I've been saying is in June the boom will resume, and potentially, you know, we're only a few days into June. I think we're on the what are we now? On the 9th of June. So who knows? Okay, a few days we may see a big pump for crypto and continuation of this bull market. Who knows? But in June the boom will resume. It sounds nice, doesn't it? And then in July we will fly. So always got to remain positive. Always got to remain positive. Okay, I don't see any indication at the moment that we're in a bear market. As you're fully aware, I think we've got completely overextended, not just on XRP, not just on Bitcoin, on a lot of stuff. You know, you only have to look at the weekly candles here. Look at that big, massive weekly candle for XRP. Look at that. You know, and that there is the reason that XRP rolled over the way it did. Because always remember that buy big green candles, get big red dildos, okay? And never partake in buying anything like that. You want to buy support, and right now XRP is holding support. And like I said to you, millionaires are made in bear markets. Okay, look at the opportunity down here for XRP, and this time will come again where you get this true capitulation, because this is pretty much what you're having now for XRP. You have a massive sell-off just there, a huge correction, but you can see each time it has these massive sell-off, what does it do? It comes back up and it starts to march on, doesn't it? So I just want to remind you that if in doubt, zoom out and have patience in this game. And I've told you so many times, patience is key, because effectively what XRP is doing right now is something like this, okay? In the long term, forming one big bull pennant, and you can see eventually it breaks out to the upside. And this is what we're anticipating for XRP in this bull run. Okay, we are anticipating that if it continues to hold support and creates these beautiful high lows, look at these high lows that have been created here, okay, on the weekly, and if you can continue to hold support and not roll over and not fall through to 55 and not come down to zero like a lot of people are anticipating, then you're going to get through this level of consolidation before confidence comes back into the market, and you know the bulls start to reappear and come to play again. And when they do, this is when you're going to see these little pop outs and breakouts, and hopefully we can sustain some kind of nice organic growth in this bull run where we do see XRP sort of come out the traps and make progress effectively. So yeah, just that's XRP. It's looking relatively healthy. Okay, we're going up, we're going down. I did say that to you. Okay, you're not just going to get out of here overnight. You might do with the green light of the SEC case right there. That's the only thing in crypto that's got it pending over in it, isn't it? And that is XRP, and that is actually quite exciting, because at any point you could just come out in the news and you'll just look at XRP and it's absolutely exploding. You're like, what's going on there? It's broken the local high. It's on its way to the all-time high. And then you read the news and you'll see that SEC has dropped the case, or they've said that you know, the XRP, Ripple in this case, has actually won the case. So it's something that's looming over it that no other crypto has, and for me that's a good thing, to be honest with you, because we already know what XRP is. We know that it's a fantastic project, we know that it's fantastic technology, and there's no question what it is. Okay, so yeah, that's good moving forward. So right now I'm just going to look at XRP on the hourly time frame and see what we can see. Okay, I'm looking at XRP. Let's go back to the daily there. I'm looking at, well, go back to the weekly, sorry, go back to the weekly chart for here. Honestly, I was bullish on XRP down here as well, and people saying I'm a maniac because of this signal here. Okay, this is the buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. As soon as we get this signal, this is a really good signal on a weekly time frame. Remember, I've shown you so many times, there's not much data there, but it's on a different chart. But anyway, this is the buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. Okay, you get that signal, it's a really good signal on the weekly time frame, when the 20 crosses 55, boom, see you later, alligator, we're off out of here, because that's a big signal that you're in a bull run. And even this correction here, this capitulation, I was still bullish, and I was telling family and friends to accumulate, okay, and they were, and they have been, and they are sitting on nice profits at the moment. But again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just what I say is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So right now you can see you've gone up, you consolidated, you've gone up, you consolidated, and you're sort of making these waveforms, which in the future, when you look back, hopefully, you know, if we get this progression, and it is all a big if, by the way, because, you know, we can enter a bear market at any point. Look, we're starting to look like we're making these beautiful waveforms like this, and, you know, eventually we're adhering to a level of support right there, and boom, 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 see you later, alligator, we're off to the beach for XRP, and continuation of this bull run for XRP. This is noise, okay? It's just noise of the long-term projection for XRP, okay? So that's basically a little update on the weekly there on that chart, but I'm going to look at the hourly time frame right now and see what we can see, okay? So on the hourly, that's quite a nice little pattern just there. That's a bit of an inverse head and shoulders just here. Do you see this? So if XRP right now can come up, it's roughly around there. The wicks are putting me off a little bit, to be honest with you. What we'll do, we'll put it on the body like that. Do you see that? So we get as many touches as we can. So right now, if you can see the close on the hour above this level of resistance right there, this is a little inverse head and shoulders. That's a beautiful inverse head and shoulders, to be honest with you. So you've got a low, you've got a lower low, sorry, and then a higher low like that. And you're basically reversing the trend here on the hourly. Do you see that? You're getting above the 20 EMA, which is also golden. Now, right now, if you start to come back up here, and it looks a bit naughty, doesn't it? But if you do start, that's even an inverse head and shoulders in itself, just there. Do you see that? So if right now you do start to come back up and you break this level of resistance just here and get back above the 55 on the hourly time frame, you could see a lovely little pump here for XRP. And I'll give you the breakout target. It's roughly something like that. Do you see that? So this is where you could see XRP absolutely come back up towards 96 cents. So do keep an eye on this for XRP, because this could be work out a really nice little trade right here. I'm going to tidy this up. But if you do start to see XRP break this level of resistance right here, because you can see this is a bit of a bull flag. That's a bit of a bull flag right there. It's all looking good, isn't it, at the moment? Let's hope we get this continuation right here. Look, it's a bit of a bull flag. I'll show you this particular pattern just there. So you got that to there, and you got a little bit of a breakout there, and you can see that if XRP breaks out of this level of resistance right now, you could be looking at breaking that resistance, forming this big inverse head and shoulders, breakout target 97 cents. And from there, if you was to break that level of resistance, you're looking at a lovely 10% upside for XRP. And from this moment right here, that is a further 12% upside for XRP. So that'd be lovely. That's a really, really good reversal signal right there. You know, that's what we've been anticipating on the 8-hourly time frame, these reversal patterns. If we can get it, golden. So do come to your charts and draw these particular patterns just here, okay? Because in itself, this is a level of resistance. You come back, made a lower low. Do you see that? And then you're forming this another high low effectively. So it's a sort of mini little inverse head and shoulders, sorry. So yeah, it's looking relatively healthy at the moment for a bit of a reversal. But again, obviously, you're fully aware, if you do start to lose the 20, you start to lose that level of resistance right there, support, sorry. If you do start to make a lower low than that, then obviously you're sort of still rolling over and you're coming down to a potentially deeper correction right there of the actual target, which is obviously, we made you fully aware, because you've lost this key level of support right here for XRP. Because this particular level of support was lost, the actual target just here was at 60 cents, wasn't it? Just there, that's it. So do anticipate that, okay? This effectively, this particular bit here is a throwback of the eventual target, which is actually down here. So what we do need to see, obviously, as you're fully aware, is just XRP. Get out of here, okay? We've been here many times before where we started to form these little reversal patterns. Looks great, but then the market rolls again. There are some little indicators that I'm seeing on Bitcoin. If you want to check the Bitcoin video out, there's a couple of little indicators there that I do quite like for Bitcoin, you know, and if they come to fruition, great. So do keep an eye on them. There's some metrics there that whales are accumulating at those prices, and a little bit of a nice indicator on the RSI there. So do anticipate that. So yeah, that's XRP. Okay, a couple of trades there. If you do start to see XRP come back up now and break this level of resistance, okay, then do put in a cheeky long up to that sort of target right there. And again, if you do start to see yourself close below the 20 weekly EMA, then do anticipate that you're still rolling over and potentially coming down to that 60-cent target right there for XRP. So sorry I didn't do an update past couple of days. I've been trying to sort business out here at the moment, because I've got another business that I run, you see, so I've been trying to sort all that stuff out, and obviously it's taking up a lot of my time. But thank you for your continued support. I'll be back tomorrow with another update for XRP. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.